I gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. Cause right now it says that we can come to the bone. And I know it makes no sense. Cause you walk out the door. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's been months and for three reasons I just. And I'm stronger than this. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so down with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio?